Ka Indigo ke airline bahetam hari India rengkat ke Emporium Skills Training Institute ESTI bat ka Don Bosco Youth Center kila penlong ya ka campus recruitment drive walk-in interview na kabenta ki kam cabin crew ha Don Bosco Youth Center DBYC lajum kra Shillong. Kiba penya ya kani ke interview ki kentup Yeu Anirban Mukherjee operation manager Nihar Debnath bat ka Akansha Chaudhary. Hagani ka walk-in interview lawan ya khun arspa sapu arngut ki Samla kan thei na keleng ki jalan lammi ngi kari India. Na ki arspa sapu arngut ki nong peniat ki la Jied saungut ban ai training shu na ka benta ki kam ban pen khamti haki. Kini ki saungut ki bala sha Jied menta ka sngi ki long ka Samla Priya Sinha, ka Samla Petshu Yukupa, ka Samla Pasang Yangki Sherpa bat ka Samla Kasanchi S Marak. Ka DBYC kala penlong ya kani ka walk-in interview ha ka sien ka bandingkong ka balaya soy ya ka memorandum of understanding bat ka ESTI ha unai lur mentau snam. Da kani ka MOU ka DBYC bat ka ESTI kila menjur ban ya trelang ban ai jing hikai bat ban plila de ki Samla ban rung haki company aviation hospitality bat luxury international cruise liners. Ka DBYC bat ka ESTI kendang yai beteng ban ai jing hikai bat ban penkre ya ki Samla ka Meghalaya ban rungkam haki company bapher haki arpho teli kiri ka perthai. Habakran si nong thok Khubor uravan padar Michael Makri SDB Director donbosco Youth Center Shillong ulapan pau ya ka jing kemen bat ka jing thrang ban yarap shu ya ki Samla ban yo ya ki kam ki jam. Ulapan pau kucing sengungu iki bor jong ka Indigo yaki nong peniat ke ESTI bat yaki arspa sapu arngut ki Samla ki palawan syaka walk-in interview mentaga sngi. Ki Samla kan thei na Meghalaya la shemba kim kot karenyang renyot ki duna haka ketiin Hindi bat kim shemlapan kre bhaban yakun yaka interview.
I'm actually a bit nervous but also excited at the same time. I'm hoping the best for everyone here. I hope everyone does their best. That's it. I don't usually go read every time, but whenever I get time, I just read through things and then that's it. I'm hoping for the best. I can't tell anything because the other candidates also look very confident. They look capable, so I cannot say anything right now.
Okay, firstly, I'd like to thank the Emporium Institute as well as the Indigo for hiring again, for giving us, for giving all the candidates another chance. So right now, everything is like, it's very, like looking at the candidates is kind of competitive. And then I'm also kind of freak out, but let's hope for the best. And then moreover, out of like many majority of the candidates also, we know that only 10 to 15 will be selected or maybe 5. So I hope for the best for everyone. So that's all.
Everyone, my name is Sapitun S. Mutha and I've just finished my interview just now. So it was a good interview that I have get through experience everything which I have received in this 5 months that I have got training from Pangpin Adabari. And this institute where I have get the interview, it's a premium Shillong, which is held by the Don Bosco Youth Center. And also I have communicate with everyone here and I met so many people. And also I have got communication skill also with them, interact with them, and I make some new friends also. And I would like to say that you also you can join here and come to interact with everyone and also join airlines like and give interview also and pass all your interviews. And ngala pan ong ipidakasi da one le interview ila pan one hagani ka a premium center kabadan hani ha Don Bosco Youth Center kabala held da kini ki daga Don Bosco mapila ru ban ai yak interview jong piha ka pikwa ban join yak airline. Thank you.
Hi everyone, very good evening. This is Anirban Mukherjee, Operations Manager, Emporium Training and Consultancy Private Limited. Today we are at Shillong and we are currently at Don Bosco Youth Center in Don Bosco Square, Laimokra, Shillong. We have collaborated with the Don Bosco Youth Center and we are coming up with a 60 days training program which is starting on the 30th of October 2025, which is day after tomorrow. Now, through this training program, we will be training candidates for aviation, hospitality, and the cruise line sector, and we'll be providing them direct recruitment opportunities in collaboration with Don Bosco Youth Center. This is a collaboration between the Skill India mission with Emporium and Don Bosco. Now, today, for an example, we had an interview with Indigo, which is the largest airline of India, and we had a campus interview over here, and almost about 240 participants from different states, girls from different communities and states have come and participated today. We have people coming in from Arunachal Pradesh, from Mizoram, from Manipur, Nagaland. They have been participating over here for the interview today, and we had a good presence, huge number of footfalls today. And the Indigo team is also currently taking interviews in this venue. It's a campus interview which is open to all, and this is a free of cost interview totally, which we have opened for everybody who is eligible for this interview. So similarly, every month we will be conducting interviews in Shillong from now on. So people of Shillong now, and especially educated unemployed youths who have passed class 12 or graduation, now you don't have to chase jobs and going down to Guwahati looking for a job, or Delhi or Hyderabad or Mumbai. Now all the jobs will come to you right at your doorstep. All you have to do is get skilled and get hired. In collaboration with Don Bosco Youth Center, Emporium is now planning to come up with batches every month, and we will be trying to identify candidates from different schools and colleges, especially people who are looking for employment opportunities. We will be working them in tandem for jobs in India as well as outside India. We are currently hiring for about 20 countries around the world, and people who are freshers now can go and get visas, employment visas, through Emporium Shillong. Our office is inside Don Bosco Youth Center, Shillong in Laimukra. So whoever is interested to know more about us, we would request them to come in person along with their documents and get to know more about us and get to know more about the 60 days professional training program. I would also like to urge the schools and colleges here in Shillong through this session. I would also like to urge, and we are looking for collaborations. We are open to collaborations with you, because according to the National Education Policy NEP 2020, now in all the schools and colleges are also now focusing on skill development as per the new Skill India mission and as per the NEP 2020. So we as placement partners, we are partnering with various universities across Northeast and various universities across India. So my urge to all the schools and colleges in Shillong over here is, let's partner together, and apart from giving only graduation degrees or class 12 certificates, let's work together and provide qualifications and professional training as well as placements, job offers to the candidates when they come, so that people, when they join colleges, they would not go out of the college only with a graduation degree, they would also go out with an offer letter. That is all from our side. We wish all the best to all the candidates in Shillong, and we look forward to do more interviews over here. Today it was Indigo Airlines. Tomorrow we were looking at bigger interviews, so the announcements will keep coming in. We are looking for skilled candidates. There is no dearth of job. The problem in India was always about skilled candidates. We have candidates with degrees and diplomas, but degrees and diplomas are not working anymore. It's the skills which are now the future of the country. So let's build India together. Let's build a new nation. Thank you so much.